Think about fresh milk. It comes directly from a cow, pure, natural. Now, what can we make from milk? Curd, buttermilk, paneer, butter, ghee, sweets. So many things, right? But in all of these, milk is the base. Now, think about grapes. From grapes, we get juice, raisins, jam, fruit, salad, cakes. Again, grapes are the base ingredient. Now, here is the connection to maths. In maths, we also have something called prime numbers, composite numbers. A prime number is like milk or grapes. It's a base number. Let me give you another visual. Imagine Lego blocks. You build a big tower, then you break it down. At the end, what remains? Small individual bricks. Those bricks are like prime numbers. You cannot break them further. Now, what about composite numbers? They are like all these things made from milk or grapes. They are combinations of prime numbers. That means every composite number is made up of prime numbers inside it. So remember this powerful idea. Prime numbers, building blocks. Composite numbers, combination of those blocks. Now, how do we identify them? Take any number and check its factor. If a number has exactly two unique factors, one and itself, it's a prime number. If a number has more than two factors, it's a composite number. Let's look at a quick example. Number 2. It has 1 and 2, two factors, prime number. Number 4, 1, 2, 4, more than two factors. So it's a composite. Now there is one special number, 1. It has only one factor, just 1. So it does not follow either rule. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite.